Hey guys, I'm just getting ready for my day. I have a lot of things going on today. I have so many like appointments and whatnot. I just got cat hair. Boy's like right here. I got cat hair on my lip. Yeah, I got a lot of appointments and I'm like kind of running a bit behind. And by running a bit behind is like running on time for me because it's like ingrained in me to be like 10 to 15 minutes early for everything. So if I'm not, I'm like, I'm behind. But like, I'm really not. Oh, okay, goodbye, boy. I was in such a bad mood yesterday, but I ate some pizza pops and now things are looking up. Okay, I'm gonna put on a lash. I've been obsessed with this lash glue, this Kiss stuff. It's so good. I'm just gonna reuse these like fiddly old lashes. This is why I wish I had like a pair of like thick rimmed glasses. I feel like makeup artists just like throw those on and they're just like ready to go. And they wear like a tinted moisturizer. Babe, I don't want to get glue on you. But if I just wear tinted moisturizer, I literally look like I did nothing. Okay, sweetie, go behind here. Go on the towel. That's what it's there for. Move your boot scooting bum bum. But you know what I mean? I really need a pair. Just so I can like throw them on and throw a red lip on and like be done with it. So I don't have to get ready. Oh my god, there's so much cat hair on these lashes. How does this happen? Like, my apartment is so clean, but these things just like, the hair just like sticks to them. It's like crazy. Today I'm also doing like, I don't know what to call it. Like, this woman wants to hire me. She has a hair business. I think she's like doing like, she has like extensions. I really don't know what exactly it is. Maybe it's like wigs or something. But she is a woman of color and she wants to hire me for her like campaign for this. But she just wants to like make sure like I'm an artist who can do women of color, which I get, because as much as I like to think that there's not this like, I don't even know what to call it, against like makeup, because a lot of, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of makeup artists don't know how to work on different skin tones. Skins, on different skins. It's not grammatically correct. So I get it, but on the other hand, I'm also like, there are so many images of women of color on like everything of mine, so. But I am completely willing to go there and show her what I'm made of. And she was on the phone like asking me like to bring like all of my shades. I'm like, yeah, I bring all of my everything with me as I go. Like, I think maybe she doesn't think I'm as, I really don't know. But like, I bring all shades with me all the time. But I totally get it, like, I get it. Boy, are you gonna sneeze again? He's been sick, you guys. I don't know what's happening. Did I say I got him new food? And I think that might be what it is. Because I got them new food and baby's been sneezing as well, which is so weird. So I feel like it's their new food that I got them, which is really odd. But I'm kind of scared. Like, I don't want to leave them for 5 days if they're sneezing, you know? Like, I really don't want to do that. I guess we'll see. I need my, hello? Mom, I'll text you back in a bit. Where am I? Oh, here. This CoverGirl palette is, oh my god, there's a cat here somewhere. Oh no. Oh, I got it. Did I? God damn it. Ow, I just stabbed myself in the eye. What time is it? Oh my god, I have to go. It's only gonna take me like, I don't know how long to get there. To my first appointment, and then I'm going to this other thing. Wow, okay. I'm highlighted. Gonna be using the shade Pioneer because this lipstick is everything. Boy, you're right by the microphone. Everyone's gonna be able to hear you licking your paws. Oh my god. See, this is why I can't be rushed when I do makeup. You know what? I just need to calm down. It'll all work out. Okay. He's like rubbing his nose. Yeah, I'm really scared. Like, I might have to bring them. Ah! There we go. Okay, there we are. I'm done. My eyeliner is so crooked today. It's like, hey guys, I just got home from a makeup appointment and it kind of bummed me out a little bit, to be honest with you, because I don't know, I'm very confident in what I do, and when people like don't know what they're talking about, like try and like, I don't know, like I don't want to say anything because I don't know, you never know who watched your crap or whatever, but like I also broke this thing off my bong yesterday. I had a bad day. My first appointment was great. It was my second one and I was just like, I don't know, it really bummed me out, and now I'm just like, I've never felt like that before, where like I just feel like belittled and like that I can't do my job correctly. Like I'm I'm a really good makeup artist, and like I pride myself on being able to work really on anybody and with any skin tone, and like I know what I'm doing. And when someone tries to tell me to change something and I say, oh, like, are you like, you know, and then I do it because they want it, and then they tell me that that's my mistake, because like I'm just like, you wanted it like that, and I just, you know, anyway, I'm in a bad mood now. Like I'm just, like I feel like I could cry, but I'm not going to, but I just, like I feel emotionally exhausted. Like I'm just done. Like I've never had something go like that before, and just like I was just so belittled and like attacked. Like I felt like I'm just like, okay, I just wasted 2 hours of my life trying to do something that I would have never have done to begin with, like ever. Anyway, so Dermablend sent me a really cute package. I unboxed it here, but they had it made up really, really nice. They like sent me like a box with like gold paper, and there was like a ribbon around it, which is super cute. But I just wanted to show this because this is like literally so cute. So they sent me this little gift set. I love this loose powder. It is so good. So good. So they sent me this little set right here, and we have the Glow Creator, but there's 2 shades here. So we have, oh, I'm so excited for this deep one. So I have this one, which is Pearl, but I don't have the gold, so I'm so excited for that. And then a little tiny little loose setting powder, which I love this powder. Some people don't. I find that you have to know how to work with it. Like a little goes a long way with it. What is in here? Oh, jelly primer sample. Okay. Anyway, so love that. And then look what they sent, you guys. They sent me a freaking snow globe, which this has made my day a lot better. Not gonna lie. So this was at Michelle's engagement party, and Casey was on the end of here, but they cut her off, which is hilarious. And there's so much glitter in it. It's so beautiful. Like, I mean, this is stunning. Stunning. I love it. This is making my day a lot better. A lot better. Oh, and I didn't vlog it all today because my battery died. I like turned it on in my car, said battery exhausted. So I'm like, great, 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 Bailey. I'm just so bitchy. Can you guys tell I have my period right now? I'm like so bitchy. But like today is like justified though. Like yesterday I was just moody. Today, like, I'm not even like butthurt over it. It's just like, I just feel like I'm not good enough or something, but I am. I just, when people try and question, like, there's a time and a place, and I don't know, it's like you either want me or you don't want me. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't feel like I need to audition for something. And that's what I felt I was doing. I felt like I was auditioning for something and like being judged and critiqued along the way, and not even being like, I don't know. That's all I'm gonna say, because I feel like I don't even know. I don't know, witches. Okay, so anyway, last night, I moved my apartment around, you guys. Look what I did. Isn't it nice? I had to put, okay, I freaking hate this stupid freaking air conditioner that they installed it to hook up here, which, see that piece that they like scratched off there? So that hose is there. I could put it beside my couch, but then my couch is far out and then it's like weird over here. So I put it there. It looks ugly, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I have to have this air conditioner when I pay for air conditioning. Anyway, so I moved this around. This is making me feel good, I guess. Hey, boy. Hey. Yeah. He's still, yeah, okay. That was a little bit delayed though. And then I moved my bed as well. And I had popcorn last night and that's my bowl. So I moved my bed there. So that made me feel a little bit like, what, boy? What? What is this paper towel on the floor? Did you do something with that? Yeah. Oh my God, I love you. Yeah? You're my pretty boy. Oh my God, you're so cute. Anyway. Oh, Sweetie is here too. Hey, my baby. Okay. For sure. Anyway. I just need to like sit down. This is why I smoke weed. This is why I'm so thankful that weed is now legal. Except not legal on the internet. Who is texting me? Who's texting me? I better find out. Oh my God, I can't get up. Oh, boy, you're so cute right now. Love it so much. I really want to bring them with me to Carmen. What? A side note, I love when brides are so sweet to me. Kate just texted me. Kate, can we go shopping together? Seriously, I want to be your friend. I love when brides are so nice to me. It's so nice. Because I got some interesting ones. Anyway, my first appointment today went so well. Her makeup was beautiful. We didn't do lashes though, it was just like a trial for her. And she looked so good. I'll show you. So she wanted like a little bronzy like moment. So we gave her like a, oh, where am I here? A little bronzy moment. Can we see? Just like simple bronzy moment. Oh, I'm trying to focus, but I need to like focus on my camera. Is this not? The lighting is crap. But anyway, it looked really nice. It doesn't look great in this camera, to be honest with you. I also would have really liked to take photos on this camera, but it was dead because I'm a chump. I'm an idiot. Oy vey. I'm gonna eat a pork bun for dinner is what I'm gonna do. Oh, you know what? I should dig out that chicken. I should have that chicken. Oh, okay, anyway, I'm going to do some editing and hopefully if I decide to vlog anymore, I'll be in a better mood. Oh, and last night my internet wasn't working. Like I unplugged it to move it to that wall and then it didn't work for like an hour. I was like, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Anyway, okay, that's all. That's all for now, folks. That's all.